Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Ashley, and in this video I am painting my corner hutch on the inside and also decorating it with you guys. It looks so pretty. It looks very farmhouse and cottage core. I'm so excited to decorate it with you and show you how it turned out. It looks so pretty, and it's definitely has become the corner hutch of my dreams, and I love it so much. Also, I have a lot to talk to you guys about. I feel like a lot has happened in the past like 9 to 10 days since the last upload that I did. You guys, we finally have our orders. We know where we're going and we know when we are leaving. I have to sit down and talk to you guys a little bit about it because I'm just very excited. So let me make myself some coffee, an iced coffee, and then I will chit chat with you guys just for a little bit to kind of update you on what is going to happen or what's coming up in my next videos because of our big move. And then we will get into the decorating portion of this video. And today is a really gloomy day, so it is a perfect time to be at home and cozy. I just came back from my workout and I had the best time in my workout, you guys. I have been going to the gym and working on my physical fitness for a while, and I gotta say, I feel good. There's some days that I feel like the ugliest person in the planet, and then I remember the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy and tells me lies all the time, and I was made in the image of God, so I am beautiful in God's image. So there you go. And there is nothing more that motivates me to go to the gym than wearing cute workout clothes and a good water bottle. Give me a good workout set and a cute water bottle, and I will go to the gym and I will be so excited to wake up in the morning, put my cute clothes on, and go and work out on my fitness. I don't know if it's a girl thing. I have been wearing these workout sets by Berlook. So I want to kindly thank Berlook for sponsoring this portion of this video. Thank you guys so much for collaborating with me and sending me these cute workout sets that I can continue on my workout journey. I've been wearing these sets nonstop since I got them. They're very comfortable, flattering, and feel very mom friendly. Whether I'm getting in a workout or just running everyday errands, they move with me and still make me feel put together. They definitely are a kind of piece that you can actually live in. I've also worn them during a pretty sweaty sesh, which is the Stairmaster. If you've done the Stairmaster, oh my gosh, it's a killer workout and you sweat so much. These leggings and sports bras are so comfortable. I've also had 3 C-sections, and I appreciate that the leggings are high rise and don't emphasize that area. It feels supportive without being restrictive. The sport bra comes with a built-in pad, and love that they don't bunch up or shift around while like wearing them. Such a small detail, but it makes such a big difference. Burlap focuses on comfort, quality, and creating pieces that fit into real busy lives, which I honestly can relate to. If you guys are interested, I will leave them on the description box below, as well as a discount code that they have given me, which you get 15% off of your order. So I got my maple iced latte. That's a little sweet. Oh, I should have just put 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. So we finally got our orders. After being in Okinawa for 6 years, we are finally moving back to the States. I love Okinawa so much. It has brought so much happiness in my life. It's definitely a bittersweet type of moment because we've been here for 6 years. Our kids have grown up here. Emily Nicole went to elementary, middle school, and high school here. And my son Edwin started going to school here, elementary. Literally insane. He was in diapers when we first got here, you guys. We've grown up. My relationship with God has grown so much. I have met amazing friends. This island has so much to offer. It is such a beautiful place to live a very slow life. Everyone here is very kind. I have not come across one single person, one single Japanese person that it has ever been rude to me. Or my children, they're very kind. Their culture is beautiful. Their food is delicious. The island itself, I'm gonna cry. I don't want to cry because I don't want to cry. Island is just paradise. Every time that I would discover a place here in Oki, like a little hidden gem, a cafe, a part of the beach, hidden like oasis and stuff like that, I could not believe that I live here and I still feel this way. I cannot, even when I go to the beach and take a picture of the sunset, I cannot believe that God gave us the chance to call this our home for 6 years. A little piece of my heart is definitely going to say in Okinawa, and I could not be more grateful to God. I cannot be more grateful to the friendships that I've made here. Um, I had a group of friends that we were so close. We would do everything together. We would go thrifting, have um, breakfast, dinners, and stuff like that together. And honestly, having a group of friends helped me survive being here in Okinawa. If you are here and you don't have any friends, and if you just got here and if you just found my channel because you just moved here to Okinawa, I highly recommend you getting yourself a group of friends, a good group of friends to explore the island, because this place has so much beauty to offer. And if you don't take advantage of it, or if you don't make the most of it, you are going to regret not going out, not exploring. You need to go out. This is your sign to go and explore. Go to the thrift stores, go to the beach, go to the cafes. There's so many cafes and restaurants that you can go to and explore that have beach fronts, and so many places that you can go with your family. If you have kids, and go out by yourself, go out with your husband. This island is pretty small, but it has so much to offer. So with that being said, oh my gosh, we are moving to North Carolina. Before we moved here to Okinawa, we were actually stationed in North Carolina in Camp Lejeune, and I am so happy to say that we are going back to Camp Lejeune. Me and my husband would always talk. We would always talk about us hopefully going back to Lejeune one day, and the fact that God made way for us to go back to Lejeune is incredible. It's just crazy how God works. Military kind of gives you the option to choose where you want to go. My husband didn't even choose. He was like, whatever happens, happens. I was like, you know what? I am over this. I'm not even going to ask God to send us where we want to go. I am just going to let God do whatever it is that He needs to do. And I'm just going to give it to God. I'm just going to say, I literally said, Lord, here you go, take it. I'm not going to ask you to take us where we want to go. Wherever you want to send us, I trust in your plan. And I know that your plans are better than ours. And I know that wherever you send us in life on our next journey, I know it's because it's part of your plan and that is where you want us to be. Fast forward, my husband got a notification from his boss that we had orders to Camp Lejeune, and we could not believe it. We were so excited. I think I'm the most excited because I'm just so ready. I'm just so ready. Camp Lejeune has my heart too. I loved living there. We have so many beautiful memories, and I am so excited to be going back. And also, we're going to be back in the States. That means that we're going to be closer to my family. We will be leaving actually in a couple of months. I think the months are going to go by super quick. So my content is going to change probably, because I did mention in a few videos back that once we start moving and we start doing all the PCS, I want to include you guys in it. I'm going to try my best to upload once a week like how I always do. But it's probably not going to be decor related or home decor related or homemaking related content. Is probably going to be, actually it will be more of us like moving, the process of moving, getting our stuff shipped, getting our things out of here, decluttering, cleaning the house, because we also have to clean the home and have it presentable for a final inspection before we leave. So all of those things, they sound really boring, and honestly they probably will be, but I really hope that you guys stay in this journey that we're about to go. I ask for prayers for you to please pray for my family and I for our next journey, that God gives us strength and He makes way for us for this new journey that we're going to embark, and also to prepare our minds and our hearts for all of these new changes. I am so excited to go thrifting. I already went on Google Maps. Since we were in Lejeune already, we were there for 5 years. I kind of already know my way. I don't remember everything, but I know the thrift stores and antique stores that I used to go to are still there. And I added a lot of new antique stores and thrift stores on my Google Maps. I saved them. I have like 26 um, thrift stores and antique stores around where we're gonna live. I'm so excited to go thrifting, to go antiquing, to go look for ironstone, to go to the Goodwill. I am, can you tell that I'm excited? I hope that you guys continue to be here in this journey with me. If you're new and you have not subscribed to my channel, hi, I'm Ashley and I'm a military spouse. I make thrifting videos, home decor, homemaking, cooking, and I just love thrifting. My style of decor is probably almost everything: cottage core, farmhouse, European style, old looking stuff. So if you like or enjoy videos like that, I hope that you consider subscribing. So with all of that being said, let's get started on this corner hutch. Hey everyone, so I want to redo my corner hutch. I don't know if you guys remember that I got this a while ago, and I am still absolutely in love with this hutch. The only thing is that everything inside looks really dark, and I have been wanting to paint the inside of it, maybe a lighter color. I actually really enjoy this beautiful teal color, but I would want to paint it maybe white or a sage green inside, and I think today is going to be the day. I also thought about putting in some wallpaper inside, but I don't know, like, I think a lighter color is better, and I already have paint, so I don't want to go spend money on wallpaper, and I just want to use what I have. Like, everything looks pretty dark, and I don't know, I think it needs a little makeover. I'm also contemplating whether to leave it this color. It's a little too orange for me, so I think I'm going to restain it. Not in this video, but let me know what you guys think. I kind of want to do a little bit of a darker stain, not so orange, because I don't like the orange in it. It's a beautiful hutch. I think it's beautiful. I love everything about it. The only thing I don't really love is the color of it, but that's going to be in a whole another video. It's probably not even going to be within maybe probably the next few months once we settle down into our new home and stuff. But for now, I think the biggest change that I can do is paint the inside of it. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna take everything out, and then we can also do a decorate with me. I'll decorate it with you guys in this video. Alright, you guys, this is everything that I'm planning on using inside my hutch. I in this collection, all of this collection, I have thrifted. Everything is either from the thrift store or it is from Etsy. There's fewer things that are from Etsy, but everything else is definitely thrifted. I have um a lot of little things here and there. I found a lot of ironstone recently, which I will be sharing with you guys on my next thrifting haul video, but this is everything that's going to be going in. Let me know what you guys think of how the hutch turned out. I think it looks so pretty. I think this just gives it a whole new look. I just love it so much. I love the little stamps that I did. I used acrylic paint and I used a stamp that I got at Daiso. And I just dabbed it on the stamp and then stamped it on the wall of the inside of the hutch. That is such a great way to save money instead of buying wallpaper. I want to buy a cute like curtain to put on the inside to one day just have the curtain on the inside with a bunch of ruffles inside. It's going to look so pretty, but for now, everything looks so beautiful. It displayed all of my collected ironstone and thrifted beautiful stoneware. I just love it. I know that this video was a very chatty video, but I just needed to talk to you guys just for a little bit. I will see you guys on my next video, God willing. Don't forget to check out Berlook for the workout sets that I tried on. Just browse the website and see what suits you the best. For my favorite personally is the brown one with the white little piece sticking out. I love the top too. Oh my gosh, it's literally my favorite. Brown is one of my favorite colors, as you can see. I will leave everything on the description box below and also on the cards. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video, God willing. Bye.